So I'm working with my guardians, my ancestors, for protection and healing for all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. So when they fly over the cop shop, which is the police officer station, no matter where you're at, there's a vulture of some kind. You guys are protected, and also for healing. Yes, you can intertwine, especially tonight's the full moon. So it's extra powerful today and tonight. Obviously, turkey vultures come out during the day. I thank my guardians, my ancestors, and as you see, they just focused in and out. Thank you.